Imagine settling into your favorite Xbox game, mouse in hand, ready for precision aiming or swift menu navigation. But then it happens. A frustrating delay, a jerky movement, or an unresponsive click. It can instantly pull you out of the experience and turn fun into frustration. If you are experiencing mouse lag issues on your Xbox, the most common solutions involve checking your mouse's connectivity, updating your Xbox console's software, and adjusting in-game sensitivity settings. Often, a simple restart of both your mouse and console can also resolve these pesky delays, restoring smooth and responsive gameplay. Mouse lag typically occurs due to interference in the wireless signal, outdated software drivers, or an overburdened system. Your Xbox console manages many processes at once, and sometimes a temporary glitch or a crowded wireless environment can cause the communication between your mouse and the console to slow down. Understanding these root causes helps us tackle the problem effectively. To address these issues, first try restarting your Xbox console and then your mouse to clear any temporary glitches. Next, ensure your mouse is directly connected or using a dongle close to the console to minimize wireless interference. It is also important to check for any available Xbox system updates, as these often include performance enhancements and bug fixes for accessories. Finally, dive into your game settings, as some titles offer specific mouse acceleration or smoothing options that might be causing unwanted lag. One insider tip is to check the power source of your wireless mouse. Low battery levels can sometimes mimic lag, as the mouse struggles to maintain a consistent connection. Also, be aware of other wireless devices near your Xbox, such as Wi-Fi routers or other controllers, which can create signal congestion. Consider using a dedicated USB extension cable for your mouse's wireless dongle to bring it closer to the front of your console, improving signal strength and reducing latency. By systematically checking these connection, software, and settings factors, you can quickly diagnose and eliminate most mouse lag issues. This ensures your gaming sessions are smooth, responsive, and free from frustrating delays, allowing you to fully immerse yourself in the action without interruption.